here I am today going to review again a new launch product. Basically this is a new launch product from Purplle. It is the Skin Blur Tinted Sunscreen with shea butter, lime and rosemary, SPF 50. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Meghna Mantrikar Hauls and Reviews. Now y'all must be wondering where is Meghna. It's like from quite a few days, not even few days, 4-5 days I have not uploaded. I have uploaded one short video of course, but after that I was supposed to upload this video, but due to some issues, not issues, actually we had Ganesh at our place, and just because of all that thing I could not upload any video, so I'm extremely sorry for that. Now here I am today going to review again a new launch product. Basically this is a new launch product from Purplle. It is the Skin Blur Tinted Sunscreen with shea butter, lime and rosemary, SPF 50, and it is suitable for all skin types. So now we'll talk about the product directly. This is the outer packaging. It's kind of a copper and ombre kind of a packaging. This is the outer packaging, you can see. Okay, now on the second side it says manufactured and all that other details. It is like, I'll tell you first about the net content and everything. Net content in this particular product is 50 grams. This is manufactured in 0 to 722. Yes, recent manufactured. It is good to use till 12/24, so you are going to get 22, half, 23, 24, so almost 30 months, almost equivalent to 30 months of shelf life. Okay, and this retails for 399 rupees. Here I have my notes, if at all you happen to see me over there, it's my notes over there. And this is made in India product, and this has SPF 50. Right, now ingredients list they have given you over here, if you can see. Okay, and I'll tell you a few of the key features or maybe benefits of this particular product. They say this has SPF 50, infused with natural ingredients, non-greasy, advanced lightweight formula, doesn't leave a white cast. SPF value is based, that is their particular thing. When you check on the other side, directions of use they have given you, that is squeeze out an adequate amount, spread the lotion evenly on the skin, massage it into skin for better application, apply 15-20 minutes before stepping out to maintain the protection, reapply after every 2 hours, and this is for external use. This is basically given everything on the outer packaging. Now we have already seen the outer packaging. We'll move towards the inner packaging. Inner packaging of this particular product, it comes in kind of a squeezy tube, and it was a sealed. When I like shown you the demo, that time I shown you it was a sealed. So this is particular all the basically outer packaging. And when you just check the inner packaging, they say manufacturer, expiry and all. For that you have to refer the outer carton. Inner carton they have not given you any detail. They say net content 50 gram, made in India, all the things they give, they say, but for manufacturing and expiry you have to refer the outer carton. So if at all you want to make a tag and keep it. Ingredients list they have given you, manufactured and everything they have given you over here. Okay, so now particular in this video, I am a person who loves natural, lightweight and like you can see natural looking makeup. So what I was actually thinking when I purchased this product, I was thinking they said tinted sunscreen, so I thought it will give me a light tint on my face, that is kind of a BB cream. So for that particular thinking, I just took 5 products out of my vanity, and I thought making this video a little bit different, using only 5 products for the natural day-to-day makeup. And this is what right now you can see on my face. I just have used only 5 products. One is the sunscreen, of course. I have already told you the 5 products, but again I'm telling you, cutesy tootsie lip and cheek tint. Shade I have already told you during the demo. Eyeliner, mascara and eyebrow pencil. That's it. I have only used the 5 products, and this is what you can see right now on my face. Now what are my thoughts and all? If you want to know, then keep on watching for the demo. We'll move towards the demo now. Yeah, I actually just forgot to tell you 2-3 important things. I'll just read it from the app only. This is the Purpple's app. Okay, it's soft focus sheer tint for an everyday even tone glow. This is, I'm just reading it for you, and it is creamy buttery texture, offers even tone light coverage. Light coverage I do not agree. Creamy and all I do agree. Light coverage I cannot see any kind of coverage on my face. Key benefits they say: broad spectrum SPF 50 protection, safeguards from UVA and UVB rays, protects skin from blue light, blurs imperfections and adds radiance. Now blurs imperfection I do not agree. Yeah, gives radiance, yes I do agree. Okay, then it says water resistant, sweat resistant, supreme UV and UVB protection. Don't take a pause keep the sun shining. Like rosemary, first I'll tell you about the shea butter. It deeply moisturizes the skin. Lemon brightens the skin tone, and rosemary makes the skin look youthful. That is what they say. Then how to use and everything is given. So what we will do, I have already told you all the basic details. Now it is paraben free, mineral oil free, synthetic color free, cruelty free and sulfate free, and ultra blendable and universal tint. Again, for this particular point, tint, I do not agree. Now we'll move towards the demo and we will see what kind of tint it gives us, right? Move towards the demo. Yes, as I already told you during the intro of this video, that in this particular video I'm going to use only 5 products, and one of the product is already used by me. It is on my lips and it is from Stay Quirky. It is their Cutesy Tootsie Lip and Cheek Tint. Since I have limited products to use, so I thought of using a lip and cheek tint so that I can use it in multiple ways. Of course, I can use lipstick also in multiple ways as my blush or as my lipstick also, but I wanted to go for some lighter coverage since the sunscreen which I am going to use is a tinted sunscreen. So that is why I have preferred this, and it is in the shade Smokin' Siren. One separate review video for this is already up on my channel. If you want to see, I'll link that video up in the I button, as well as it will be given in the description box. If at all you have not watched that video and you want to watch it, you can watch after watching this video. You can go ahead and you can watch. I only have moisturizer right now on my face. I don't have anything else. That is my basic skincare and the moisturizer. I don't have any sunscreen, and that is what we are going to do. I'm going to apply now this. I'm going to use this sunscreen. This is the sunscreen what I'm going to use today, right? So now I'll just open it. It is going to be a first impression for me as well. So you can see it comes in a sealed plastic seal or something. I'll just open it and I'll show you. This is the seal. I've already opened the seal. Now I'll just show you how it looks. This is the sunscreen. Now they say just take it and put it. I'll just show you. I'll just show you over here the color. I forgot to show you. This is the color. They say tinted sunscreen, so this is the color. Okay, so now I'll just take all this sunscreen, put it in dot form on all over my face. This is having little bit of fragrance. You can say very mild fragrance of lime and little bit of rosemary. That is what I can smell. Now you can see this is the sunscreen I've applied on my face. Now what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera, whatever the basic, I'll just use this makeup products and I'll come right back. Yes, now basic 5 products makeup I've already used. Now you will ask me, my final thought for this particular product is, basically I'm in a puzzle. They say it's a tinted sunscreen. So tinted means they should give you a little bit, maybe tiny bit of coverage, but I cannot see any coverage. So tinted in which way, I am not understanding. Maybe my expectations for this product was maybe a little bit higher, but this is what the coverage it gave me after applying it on full face. Okay, it's a tinted sunscreen, but I cannot see any kind of tint. Plus point is it does not leave any white cast on my face. That is a very good point, because few of the sunscreens are there in the market. When you go and purchase and when you go and apply, it leaves a white cast on your face. So after applying the sunscreen, if you apply your foundation and all, it looks very light, but over here it doesn't do that. But again and again I'm telling you, it is not giving me any kind of tint on my face. So I am not sure. I am puzzled for this particular product. Now this is what basically I have used for the eyebrow pencil. I have just used the liner, mascara, lip and cheek tint and the sunscreen. So if you are a person who is in like short of time and you want to go for some tinted sunscreen and you don't want to apply 2 to 3 layers of products and all, then in that case I will say this product is not that of use, because it is not going to give you any kind of coverage, not even a sheer coverage on your face. You can see right now on my face, yeah, it is giving me a kind of a dewy glowy effect on my face. It's not total flat matte, it is giving me a glowy effect, but it is not covered any of my you can say imperfections from my face. It has not even covered my over here. As you all know, I have a you can say birthmark or something over here, it's not covered that. I have freckles over here, not covered that also, moles also not covered. So in short, it is not even a sheer coverage product for me. I do like, y'all, if you are following me from a long time, you know I like light coverage, natural makeup. I don't go heavy on eyeshadows, I don't like go heavy on blush and all. I basically like natural makeup. But for even natural makeup also, this product is not that of use, at least for me. I'm not sure what kind of coverage you are looking at, but when you say tinted sunscreen, so it means it should give you a tint on your face, whereas this particular product has failed. Right now, I have tried to cover each and every thing in my, like each and every point in my video, but still if you feel I have left out something or you want to ask me anything related to this product, you can let me know in the comment section, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen. You can follow me over there also. I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible, and I'll try to resolve your query as soon as possible. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel. So please don't forget to hit the like button. Right, and if you feel my voice is little bit low, yes, I'm not well. We had Ganesha at our place, and just because of all that thing, my voice is totally gone. Still I'm recovering, but I wanted to come up with the review video because I wanted to. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.